Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today I'd like to introduce you to the Makita 36-volt rear handle 7 1/4 inch circular saw. This saw has a blade left configuration. It runs on two 18-volt 5.0 amp hour batteries. This technology delivers 5100 RPM and enough run time so that you can cut 558 crosscuts in 2x4 and up to 291 crosscuts in 2x10 lumber with one charge. This saw comes with a kit that includes two 5.0 amp hour batteries, a dual port fast charger, and a bag. This saw includes automatic speed change technology, which adjusts cutting speed and torque during the cut for optimum performance. It has an extra wide retractable rafter hook. It has an electronic brake for safety. To change the blade, first remove the batteries, then depress the blade lock lever and use the provided blade wrench to remove the nut in a clockwise manner. Remove the washer and remove the blade. Slide the new blade into position. Replace the washer and tighten the nut in a counterclockwise direction. This saw has an excellent blade depth adjustment system, which includes a very clear and easy to use blade depth scale. The saw will cut to a depth of 2 9/16 inches. The bevel adjustment goes to 53 degrees. It has positive stops for 22.5, 45, and 53 degrees. Both the foot and the blade guard are made of magnesium, while the blade cover and motor housing are made of aluminum. The weight with the batteries is 12.4 pounds. Here I am using the saw to cut 2x4 material with nails in it. It cuts through the material and the nails effortlessly. Here I am cutting 4x4 pressure-treated lumber. This saw has a very powerful and professional feel. In conclusion, I feel that this is a very powerful and professional saw. I'm right-handed, so I really appreciate that Makita put the blade on the left-hand side because I feel that this gives me a better line of sight when making cuts. I also appreciate that Makita included the two batteries necessary for this saw in the kit. I'll put a link in my video description for the Makita 18-volt rear handle 7 1/4 inch circular saw kit. I'll also put a link for this saw as a bare tool. Also, I'll put a link for the new DeWalt blade left 60-volt max circular saw, both as a kit and as a bare tool. The skill saw 15 amp corded 7 1/4 inch magnesium worm drive circular saw, and I'll put a link for the new skill saw 48-volt cordless worm drive saw kit. I'll also put a link for the Milwaukee M18 rear handle blade left circular saw. Also, I'll put links for the Makita, DeWalt, and Freud Diablo 7 1/4 inch circular saw blades in 24 tooth to 60 tooth styles. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.